Hello everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams, which is India's #1 portal for all defense competitive exams. I am Anuradha and I am going to take you through a very important session today, which is on how to score 40 plus marks in your English section of the Territorial Army 2021 examination, which is going to take place on 26th of September. तो आपके मन में तो यही बात चल रही होगी कि 40 प्लस मार्क्स कैसे को स्कोर कर सकते हैं, इट इज क्वाइट अ हाई मार्क्स। लेकिन ये एनालिसिस के जो वीडियो मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ, ये देखने के बाद आपका ये जो मन में डाउट है ये पूरी तरीके से सॉल्व हो जाएगी। यू विल हैव नो डाउट एंड यू विल बी एब्सोल्युटली 100% कॉन्फिडेंट दैट यस आई कैन स्कोर 40 प्लस मार्क्स in my English section of the Territorial Army 2021 examination. इससे पहले मैं एनालिसिस दिखाऊं, I want to give you a brief introduction about what we at SSB Crack Exams do. We at SSB Crack Exams provide you all the important study materials and help you in your preparation for any upcoming examination. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि हमारे पास सारे डिफेंस एग्जाम्स के लिए कोर्सेस है, यानी कि बंडल्स है, और उन बंडल्स में आपको एग्जाम के रिलेटेड सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के वीडियो लेक्चर्स, पीडीएफ स्टडी मटेरियल्स, क्विजेस, सैंपल क्यूएनए, प्रीवियस ईयर्स क्यूएनए, मॉक टेस्ट और बहुत कुछ मिलेंगे जो आपके एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा. So I will now show you about what you will get inside the Territorial Army Examination Course Bundle. आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा उस बंडल में. पहली बात तो यह है कि अगर आपको कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए होगा, इफ यू रियली वांट टू नो इन डिटेल अबाउट द टेरिटोरियल आर्मी एग्जामिनेशन, वी हैव प्रोवाइडेड यू ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन इनसाइड द टेरिटोरियल आर्मी एग्जाम 2021-2022 ओवरव्यू. सारी नोटिफिकेशंस और एग्जाम डेट्स रिलेटेड टू द टेरिटोरियल आर्मी एग्जाम आपको यहीं पे मिल जाएंगे. Inside the Territorial Army 2021 live session, you will get to live communicate with our top-notch tutors who have already begun their live classes on the different subjects on which the Territorial Army 2021 exam will be tested on. So I will highly recommend you कि अगर आप live classes देखना नहीं start किए हैं तो please attend the live classes. It will be really very helpful for your exam preparation. उसके बाद सारे डेली करंट अफेयर्स और डिफेंस अपडेट्स लेके हमारे ट्यूटर्स आते हैं और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके जीके सेक्शन के लिए इनसाइड द टेरिटोरियल आर्मी 2021 एग्जामिनेशन. रीजनिंग, मैथमेटिक्स, इंग्लिश, स्टैटिक जीके, हिस्ट्री, पॉलिटी, ज्योग्राफी, बायोलॉजी, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और इकोनॉमिक्स, ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आपको इसी बंडल में टेरिटोरियल आर्मी एग्जाम बंडल में ही मिल जाएंगे. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, you need to download our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store, and while enrolling to the Territorial Army course or for that matter any course for your defense exam, do not forget to use the code warrior10 to get an extra 10% off. तो चलिए अब लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे टेरिटोरियल आर्मी के इंग्लिश सेक्शन के एनालिसिस, जो कि आपके टेरिटोरियल आर्मी 2021 एग्जाम के लिए काफी हेल्पफुल होने वाला है. लेकिन इससे पहले मैं स्टार्ट करूं, आई विल शो यू अ ब्रीफ एनालिसिस ऑफ द ओवरऑल परसेंटेज कवर फॉर ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स, दैट इज फॉर ऑल सेक्शंस फ्रॉम वेयर यू नीड टू अटेंड द क्वेश्चंस इन द टेरिटोरियल आर्मी एग्जामिनेशन. टेरिटोरियल आर्मी एग्जामिनेशन के क्वेश्चन पेपर में 4 सेक्शन से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. फर्स्ट इज एलिमेंट्री मैथमेटिक्स, नेक्स्ट इज रीजनिंग, थर्ड इज इंग्लिश एंड फोर्थ इज जनरल नॉलेज. और ये 4 सेक्शन में वेटेज ऑफ मार्क्स इक्वल होते हैं, यानी कि 50 क्वेश्चंस यू विल एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम एलिमेंट्री मैथमेटिक्स व्हिच विल ऑब्वियसली हेल्प यू टू स्कोर 50 मार्क्स. रीजनिंग में 50 क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं, हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए 1 मार्क के लिए अगर आप स्कोर करते हो तो 50 क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं विद 50 टोटल मार्क्स इन रीजनिंग. इंग्लिश में देयर आर 50 क्वेश्चंस एंड अ टोटल ऑफ 50 मार्क्स, एंड इन जनरल नॉलेज यू गेट 50 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ अ टोटल ऑफ 50 मार्क्स. सो दैट इज व्हाई देयर इज एन इक्वल वेटेज ऑफ मार्क्स एंड इक्वल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट आर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड थ्रू आउट द टेरिटोरियल आर्मी पेपर. यहाँ पर मैं आपको दिखा देती हूँ द मार्किंग स्कीम, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कोई भी एग्जाम लिखने से पहले मार्किंग स्कीम देखना इंपॉर्टेंट इसलिए है क्योंकि देन यू विल इजीली बी एबल टू कैलकुलेट कि आप कितना स्कोर कर सकते हैं या फिर कितना नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आपने अटेंड किए हैं एंड हाउ मच यू कैन स्कोर इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन. सो टेरिटोरियल आर्मी के पेपर में एलिमेंट्री मैथ्स से 50 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं फॉर अ टोटल ऑफ 50 मार्क्स. फॉर रीजनिंग ऑल्सो देयर आर 50 क्वेश्चंस फॉर अ टोटल ऑफ 50 मार्क्स. From English, you will get 50 questions for a total of 50 marks, and in general knowledge section, you will get get 50 questions which will total to 50 marks. यानी कि total में you will get to solve 200 questions in the Territorial Army 2021 paper which will amount to a total of 200 marks. अब इस हर section में हर question के लिए आप 1 mark score कर सकते हो if you are correctly answering any question. On the other hand, there is obviously a negative marking, and you can lose 0.33 marks if you are incorrectly answering any question. Okay, now I will show you the overall syllabus of the English section of Territorial Army examination. Okay, you're ready? Now these are some of the important topics, or I would say all the topics that you need to concentrate on. The first is spotting of errors, which is basically concentrated on the rules of grammar. Then comes the vocabulary part, which contains antonyms, synonyms, idioms and phrases. Then comes sentence correction or sentence improvement, also which depends on the vocabulary and the grammar section of English. Then comes sentence completion in the form of both fill in the blanks or single sentence completion and cloze test, which is basically close comprehension or fill in the blanks inside the passage. Then comes ordering of words and ordering of sentences or para-jumbles. Next comes comprehension, active passive voice, direct indirect speech or reported speech, one word substitution, spelling and transformation of sentence. So this is the overall syllabus of English for your Territorial Army 2021 examination. Now I will show you one by one the analysis for each topic according to the previous years and how much questions, how much marks you can score for how many questions that you can expect to get in your Territorial Army 2021 English section. You're ready? We will start with spotting of errors, a topic which is quite important, and as you can see, in the last 3 years, 4 to 5 questions have come. So 5 questions have come in 2016. In 2017 Territorial Army paper, 4 questions came from this topic and 5 questions came in 2019. So in your Territorial Army 2021 examination, you can get at least 4 to a maximum of 5 questions from spotting of errors topic, and you can score 4 to 5 marks out of the total 50 marks in the English section. Okay, now we will move on to antonyms. Antonyms, 5 questions have come, consequently in all the 3 years. So in 2016, in 2017 and in 2019 paper, 5 questions have come from antonyms. So this is again an important topic, and you can expect again 5 questions in 2021 paper of Territorial Army examination, which will help you to bring 5 marks out of total 50 marks in the English section. Now comes synonyms, and in 2016, as you can see, maximum number of questions came from this topic, which was 10, and then 5 questions came in 2017 and in 2019. Okay, and so if you get questions from synonyms, you can get a minimum of 5 to a maximum of 10 questions, thus scoring 5 to 10 marks out of a total 50 marks in the English section of Territorial Army 2021 paper. Okay, now I will also show you in totality that if you want to prepare for these topics, we have the course inside the Territorial Army course bundle, and as you can see, we have covered everything from reasoning, mathematics, English to static GK, history, polity, geography, biology, physics, chemistry, economics. These subjects are there in totality inside the bundle. So subscribe to one bundle of Territorial Army online course and you are good to go, because you'll get every subject inside that particular bundle in totality together, all at one place. Alright. So now I will also show you the rest of the topic, starting with vocabulary part, that is the idioms and phrases. Now in idioms and phrases, again 5 questions have come in each year from 2016 to 17 to 19, and so in the 2021 paper of Territorial Army examination, you can get 5 questions from idioms and phrases also, which will help you to score 5 marks out of 50 in the English section of the Territorial Army 2021 examination. Next comes sentence improvement or sentence correction, and you can see 5 questions have come both in 2016 paper and 2019, while only 3 questions, which is the least number of questions, which came from this topic in the year 2017. So in 2021 paper of English section of Territorial Army examination, you can get at least 3 to a maximum of 5 questions, and thus you can score 3 to 5 marks out of a total 50 marks of the English section of Territorial Army exam. The next topic is sentence completion, specifically fill in the blanks, which are basically single sentence completion, and you will get 5 questions. As you can see, 4 questions came in 2017 paper of Territorial Army and 5 questions came in both 2016 and 2019 paper. So you can get again 4 to 5 questions from the fill in the blanks topic in the Territorial Army 2021 English section, which will bring 4 to 5 marks for you from the 50 marks in total of the English section of Territorial Army examination. Now, for all the important concept lectures, you must be thinking that, oh my god, we have to really go through the grammar rules. I must have forgotten the grammar rules and everything. No problem at all, guys, because I have already given you in totality all the concept lectures of the different topics that I am showing you here for the English section of Territorial Army examination inside the course. That's why I was talking about enrolling to one bundle and you'll get everything inside it. In the English of the TA examination syllabus, you will get to see all the concept lectures which are provided in the form of lectures, that is lessons, video lessons, where I have in detail explained to you about basic to advanced level of the grammar. Along with it, the PDF study materials also I provided. As you can see here, the study materials have been provided for each and every video lesson, and I have covered all the grammar concepts in both basic and in advanced lectures. Along with them, PDF study materials are also provided. So you can take the advantage of these concept lectures which I have provided inside the TA English course. So for that, you need to enroll to the TA English bundle or the Territorial Army online course bundle. Get into the English course and start reading all the important concept lectures of the grammar rules, as well as the vocabulary part, which are important topics in the English section of the Territorial Army 2021 exam. So enroll to the Territorial Army online course bundle today by downloading our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store. Now we will get back to the rest of the topics, starting from the comprehension, and this is another most important topic in the Territorial Army English section. And as you can see, 5 questions have come from this topic in all the 3 years, starting from 2016, 2017 and 2019. So in the year 2021, that is this year also, in Territorial Army English section, you can expect 5 questions from the comprehension topic, which is an important topic, and it will help you to score 5 marks out of the total 50 marks of the English section of the Territorial Army 2021 exam. Now we move on to the next topic, which is one word substitution. It is another most important topic because in all the 3 years, as you can see, 2016, 2017 and 2019, 5 questions have come from this particular topic. So again, you can expect 5 questions from one word substitution topic in the Territorial Army English section of 2021 paper, which will bring 5 marks for you out of the total 50 marks of the English section. Moving on now to another important topic, which is ordering of sentences. And as you can see here, these are basically parajumbos, an important topic, because in 2016 no question came from this topic, but in 2017 and 2019 4 questions came in 2017 and 5 questions came from ordering of sentences topic in 2019. So if at all you get questions from ordering of sentences in this year, that is Territorial Army 2021 English paper, you will get 4 to 5 questions from this particular topic, which will fetch you 4 to 5 marks out of the total 50 marks of the English section of the Territorial Army paper. Now, in order to practice questions, because while you are sitting for an examination, it is important that you practice these questions, right? That will help you to improve your score to a much more maximum level in the actual examination. I would recommend you to take the help of the sample practice Q&A sessions that I have already provided inside the English course of the Territorial Army examination bundle. So just go through the sample practice Q&A lectures, which are also provided in the form of video lessons and PDF study materials. And as you can see, for all topics, I have provided the sample practice questions, which will help you to understand how to solve a question, what are the different types and difficulty level of the questions you can actually expect in the Territorial Army 2021 exam. So take the help of the sample practice Q&A, guys, by enrolling to the Territorial Army online course bundle, and for that you need to first download our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store. It will tremendously help you in your exam preparation for Territorial Army 2021 exam. Now, I will show you the rest of the topics for which one year or the other the questions have come, or sometimes it didn't. Now, I will start with spelling. And as you can see in spelling, 3 questions came in 2017, while 5 questions came in Territorial Army Examination 2019. But in 2016 paper, no questions came from this particular topic. So again, if at all you get questions from spelling in Territorial Army 2021 paper, then you can obviously expect 3 to 5 questions in the spelling topic, which will fetch you 3 to 5 marks out of the total 50 marks, that is the 50 questions of the English section of Territorial Army 2021 exam. Moving on now to ordering of words. Now, in the last year, that is in 2019, in the last examination of Territorial Army, no questions came from ordering of sentences topic. But in 2017, 3 questions came from this topic, and in 2016, 5 questions came from this topic. So there is a very slim chance of you getting any question from this topic in the year 2021 also. But even if you get any question from ordering of sentences topic, ordering of words topic in your 2021 examination of the Territorial Army paper in English, then you can have at least 3 to 5 questions, which will help you to bring 3 to 5 marks out of the total 50 marks of the English section of Territorial Army exam. Right, now coming on to another topic, which is active passive voice. And as you can see from this analysis, only once the questions came from this topic, which was in the year 2017, and 4 questions came from this topic. No questions came from this topic either in the year 2016 or in 2019. So again, there is a very small chance of getting any question from this topic in the Territorial Army 2021 exam. But again, even if you get question from active passive voice, you will get at least 4 questions in average, which will help you to bring 4 marks out of the total 50 marks in the English section of the Territorial Army 2021 exam. Now, how am I able to tell you what is the small chance, where is there a high possibility of getting the question? Obviously, from the previous year's Q&A analysis. And so, you can understand how important it is to go through and refer to the previous year's questions, right? For that, you need not worry. I have provided to you all the previous year's questions, along with them the answers, solutions and explanations for each and every topic in English for the Territorial Army examination. As you can see here, not only for synonyms, because I am showing you the synonyms here, this is just an example, but for other topics also, you will get to see I have provided all the previous year's questions in the form of video lessons as well as PDF study materials, all with answers, detailed explanations and solutions, which will really help you to score the maximum amount of marks in the Territorial Army 2021 exam in English section, because previous year's question is important for you to know how you can solve these questions, what are the different kinds of questions, what will be the difficulty level of the questions you can expect in your upcoming Territorial Army examination, right? So please take advantage of these previous year's questions, which I have already provided inside the TA English course, that is Territorial Army English course. And for that, please enroll to the Territorial Army online course bundle today by downloading our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store. Now, coming to the least important topics are sentence completion in the form of close test or close comprehension, where you can see that no questions came in the last 3 years at all. So there's again a slim to no chance of getting these questions from close test. But even if you get any questions in the 2021 examination of the Territorial Army paper, then you can expect at least 4 to 5 questions from close test. Even lesser than that, it can be 3, and it will help you to score 3 to 5 marks, I would say, in around 50 marks of total English section of the Territorial Army 2021 exam. Another least important topic is direct, indirect speech or reported speech, and as you can see, no questions came either in 2016, 2017 or 2019 paper. But again, if you get any question from this topic, you can score 4 to 5 marks, because you can get 4 to 5 questions from this topic, and it will help you to score a maximum amount of marks in about the 50 marks totals that the section of English carries in Territorial Army 2021 exam. Another least important topic is the transformation. Though transformation of sentences is a topic which has been included by the official Territorial Army syllabus, which is given in the Territorial Army notification, but no questions have come in the last 3 years from this particular topic. Again, there is a very slim chance to no possibility of getting question from this topic, but again, if you get questions from it, obviously 4 to 5 questions will come from this topic again, and it will help you to score 4 to 5 marks out of the total 50 marks, alright, of the English section of Territorial Army 2021 examination. Alright, so going through the previous year's questions, sample Q&A, and all the quizzes and all the concept lectures and all the mock tests, etc., which are provided inside the Territorial Army online course is so important, as you can understand from this analysis. However, you can also take the quizzes which I have provided, so many for different topics. There are 100 plus quizzes, as well as there are many mock tests which are provided for the Territorial Army English section. And as you can see, you can take up the quizzes or any mock test and you can get a smart analytic report instantly after taking the quizzes or the mock test. And as you can see, the report, I have given you a sample of it. It will not only talk about your performance, it will not only show you your score, but also how did you perform. It will give you a graphical representation of where you were lacking, where you were improving, where you were doing really good, and where you needed to improve. There is also something called section wise report, where you can compare yourself with the topper, that is the one who has got the highest number of marks in that particular section. And for viewing all the solutions, answers, and explanations of the questions that you have attended in quizzes and mock tests of the Territorial Army examination, you can click on the view solution button here, and you can get to see all the solutions with answers and explanations of each and every question that you have attempted in the quizzes and mock test of Territorial Army examination, right? So I hope that this is very, very useful to you, and you will take advantage of it. Now, after I have shown you the analysis that you were with me for so long and you have been going through it, I will now tell you what are the most important topics that you should focus on. As you can well imagine and as you can well assume from the analysis, not every topic in English is important, and not every topic in English is like compulsory to attend and solve for, because sometimes you may or may not get questions from that topic. So now we will focus on the most important topics for your Territorial Army English section of the 2021 exam. So here you are, and you can see the list here and you can just check them out. So the important topics, the most important topics which you need to focus your attention for scoring the maximum amount of marks, in other words 40 plus marks out of 50 of total in the English section of Territorial Army examination, are spotting of errors, antonyms, synonyms, idioms and phrases, sentence improvement or sentence correction, fill in the blanks, comprehension, and one word substitution. So by focusing on these important topics, you can score the maximum amount of marks in the English section of the Territorial Army 2021 examination. So I would suggest you to please go through the concept lectures, previous year's Q&A, sample Q&A, quizzes, mock test, and so on, which I have already provided for these most important topics inside the Territorial Army online course bundle. Please enroll to the course bundle and start going through the most important topics that I have already talked to you about here, and every information, every study material, everything for preparation for these topics are already provided inside the Territorial Army English course. Now I will also talk about some of the strategies at the very end of this session, which will really help you to brush up and improve your study process in the long run while you are going to take the Territorial Army 2021 examination. So please keep these tips in your head while you are studying for the Territorial Army 2021 English section. First and foremost is rules of each parts of speech need to be studied thoroughly and in depth. So make a note that you are studying each and every, from basic to the advanced concepts of each parts of speech, which I have again already provided under the topic of spotting of errors in the Territorial Army English course. Go through the rules and go through them thoroughly and in depth, because the questions that are asked for spotting of errors particularly, as well as sentence improvement, will be completely grammatical based, grammar based. So you need to be completely clear about it. You have to learn at least 10 to a maximum of 15 new words along with their respective antonyms and synonyms daily. You have to do that if you want to improve your vocabulary and if you want to score the maximum marks in the vocabulary section, particularly antonyms and synonyms section of the Territorial Army English section. Okay, make it a fun activity to learn idioms and phrases easily by knowing their origin stories. Now, this is a very important thumb rule, that while you are going through idioms and phrases, try to find out or Google up their origin stories behind these idioms and phrases, which will help you to remember them like a story and you will not forget ever. Read good English newspapers daily, books, journals, magazines, online blogs, and so on. Now, if you want to know, guys, in our Telegram group, of SSB Crack exams, every day we provide good English newspapers in the PDF format. See, if you don't have access to the physical newspapers, you can download the PDF format and read them online. So that will be really very helpful for you. Other than that, if you're interested in any motivational books or any fictional books also, you can read them. Take up good English books, good English journals, magazines and blogs that will help you to improve your vocabulary skills and also grammatical skills, where you need to know how a word can be used in a particular sentence. That will really help you in your English section of the Territorial Army 2021 paper. Refer to good English grammar and vocabulary books and even thesaurus if you want for better knowledge and understanding. Now, if you want a good reference, I have already provided everything, all the materials inside the Territorial Army online course. If you want to know more, obviously, you can refer to good English grammar books and vocabulary books and also thesaurus for better understanding and knowledge of English grammar and vocabulary. Try to stick to the schedule as strictly as possible. Now, already inside the Territorial Army online course, I have provided study plans. And obviously, in a couple of days, I'm going to come up with a consolidated study plan for 60 days about how you can prepare within these 60 days for the Territorial Army 2021 examination. So you have to stay tuned for that marathon live session as well. Don't forget to attend that. But other than that, there are study plans which are already provided inside the Territorial Army online course bundle. What you need to do is to check out the study plans, take up any study plans that is suiting your needs, and following that study plan strictly, you need to start preparing. This will really help you in your organizational way of studying and also effectively scoring the maximum amount of marks in the English section of Territorial Army 2021 paper. Then you need to revise and practice English grammar and vocabulary regularly. Now, one thing that usually the candidates do is that they just read through the English grammar concepts and vocabulary and then they leave it like that. Now, this is a big mistake, guys, because if you are not revising them, you can even forget, and you need to again start from the scratch, which will obviously take up a lot of time and effort. So it is always proper to revise them and on regular basis. Follow the study materials or any notes made by you during revision. Now, we have already provided to you study material in the form of PDFs for all video lessons. You can take up those and go through them later while revision, or you can also make your own notes. But while revision, just make it a point that you're not going through the video lectures again, because it will take up a lot of time. It is always recommended to follow the study materials or any notes that you have made. However, if you want any other explanation, you can obviously take the help of the video lessons, where I have already explained everything that you need to know. Practice the mock test series and various questions as many as you can. Now, these mock tests are already provided inside the Territorial Army online course bundle. So you need to just one by one go through the mock tests, practice and see for yourself where you're performing well, where you need to improve. These are very important. So just practice these mock tests when you have completed the preparation for your Territorial Army 2021 examination. Practice solving previous year's question papers of TA English section. This is very important, and as I was going through the analysis of the topics, I already gave you an idea of how you can go through the previous year's questions of the different English topics for the Territorial Army 2021 exam by just going through all the video lectures and PDF study materials I have provided on the previous year's questions. So those are very important, guys, so please don't miss out on the previous year's questions. Start studying with a fair amount of time in hand to avoid last-minute confusion and hassle. Now, it is not impossible that you cannot score the best amount of marks even if you have a lesser amount of time for preparation. But it is always recommended that you start studying with a fair amount of time in your hands so that you don't have a headache, or you can avoid any kind of last-minute confusion or hassle, because this will help you to prepare in a much more better way, and that also with a calmer and clearer mind. Last but not the least is, don't forget to relax. It is important to study, it is important to prepare, but it is also similarly important to just take a break for yourself. So don't forget to relax in between your study. Now, this was all about my strategies, tips and tricks about how you can prepare and score 40 plus marks out of 50 total marks of the English section of the Territorial Army 2021 paper. I hope this analysis really helps. Now, at the very end, I want to tell you also about the different courses that we have already launched for the different examinations. As you can see, name any defense exam, we have already the course for it. So you can check out these other defense exams and their courses as well. We have already launched the bundle, so you can just download the SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store and check out all the exam courses that we have, and you can also check out the Territorial Army online course bundle, which is the most important thing that you should do at this particular hour. So download our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store and enroll to the Territorial Army online exam bundle, and you will see all the important things that we have provided, from the overview of the Territorial Army exam to notifications and the recent exam dates updates, to daily current affairs and defense updates, to the live classes that is going on for Territorial Army 2021 exam, to other subjects like reasoning, mathematics, English, static GK, history, polity, geography, biology, physics, chemistry, economics, and so on. So last but not the least, the thing of the hour to do now is to subscribe to the course of Territorial Army bundle by downloading our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store. The link of this app आपको नीचे दिए गए description box में भी मिल जाएंगे. So you can also click on that link and download the app. And while enrolling for any course, most particularly the Territorial Army online course bundle, do not forget to use the code Warrior10 to get an extra 10% off. So that is it for today. I will see you next with some more important strategies about how you can score the best and the maximum amount of marks in the entire Territorial Army 2021 examination. Till then, start preparing, start doing your hard work, but don't forget to relax in between. Till then, stay motivated, stay positive, and always stay happy. Jai Hind.